ka. Are you ready, boy doggy?
Oo naman.
Ay. Go, boy doggy.
Meron din. Utang ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, ang hirap mong kalimutan.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Boy Tigasin, okay ka ba? Are you ready?
Ready.
Go!
Meron. Sabi nila, madamot daw ako.
Bakit?
Kasi, ayaw kitang i-share.
Ay. Wow. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, so let's go to our second round. And we're going to call again Boy Doggy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go!
Meron din. Tae ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, ini-respeto kita, igagalang kita at higit sa lahat, hindi kita tatapakan.
It goes together. Ay. Okay, Boy Tigasin, matigas pa ba? Ay, patingin. Oh, wow, matigas nga. Okay. Boy Tigasin, are you ready?
Ready.
Go!
Neneng D. Ano ang English ng mahal kita?
I love you.
I love you too.
Old school rules. It's your choice. Mukhang ito ay may decision. Are we going to have one more round? Wow! We are going to resolve this again with a JNP. Come on guys, JNP ulit. Oh wow, Boy Tigasin, matigas pa rin. So, Boy Tigasin, mauna ka ba? Uy! Dinuro ka na naman, Boy Doggy. Are you ready?
Siyempre,
Go!
joke lang kanina. Neneng D, langaw ka ba?
Bakit?
Kaya ako na rin yung tae.
Wow! So logical. Ang init ng ating crowd ngayon. Boy Tigasin, still matigas ba? Go!
Neneng, math instructor ka ba?
Oo, pero bakit?
Kasi malamang bumagsak na ako ngayon. Sa'yo!
Okay yun ah. Okay lang bumagsak, basta okay ang teacher mo, di ba? Oh, teacher's pet! Wow! Alright, so all the rules natin would be sa lakas ng palakpakan. I will go to my left first. So, once itaas ko ang kamay ng ating isang boy pick up, not a pick up, but a pick up guy, si Boy